Road matters now, road safety matters. They may be off the roads, but not off the backs of the matatu operators in trying to rein in the often unruly business persons. I'm talking about the National Transport and Safety Authority, which may deregister some matatus within the next 2 weeks. The authority is embarking on vetting of public service vehicle operators across the country, aiming to ensure improved levels of compliance by SACCOs and companies. This exercise, which is being done in collaboration with the Ministry of Interior and Transport, targets to deregister those which are not conforming to the relevant laws. Operators have been told to submit duly completed forms of the NTSA website in 14 days, failure to which they will get deregistered. Director General Francis Major, in his notice, has warned the operators against misinformation.